So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Zapier Chrome extension. Whether you're new to automation or are looking to streamline your tasks, this guide will walk you through the process of getting the Zapier Chrome extension installed and set up so that you can make the most out of your day. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, let's head over to the Chrome Web Store. Open your Chrome browser and in a new tab, search for the Chrome Web Store. Once you're on the main page of the web store, it's time to search for the Zapier extension. In the search bar at the top left corner, type in Zapier and hit enter. You will see a list of results. Find the one that mentions Zapier and click on it to proceed to its main page. Now that you're on Zapier's page within the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Clicking on this button will initiate the process of installing the extension into your browser. A dialog box will pop up asking for confirmation, as Chrome wants to ensure that you're sure about adding this extension. Simply click on Add Extension to confirm. Once the installation is complete, you'll notice a small notification letting you know that the Zapier extension has been added to Chrome. Now it's time to locate the extension button. Look towards the upper right corner of your browser. You should see a puzzle icon, which indicates where all of your browser extensions reside. Go ahead and click on that puzzle icon, which will present a drop-down list of all your active extensions. Scroll down this list until you find the Zapier icon. It's quite recognizable with its vibrant logo. Clicking on the Zapier icon will open a new tab or a small window, depending on your settings, which will show you all the connections or zaps that you've previously set up. If this is new to you and there are no existing connections, don't worry. You're in the right place to start automating your workflow. To create a new zap, find the button labeled Create Zap. Clicking on this will launch you into the process of building a new connection between your apps. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts to customize your tasks. Zapier will guide you through selecting the necessary apps and actions, making the setup intuitive and straightforward. By following these prompts, you will be able to automate tasks like sending emails, updating CRM entries, or even setting reminders. It might take a couple of attempts to get everything configured perfectly, but with practice, it becomes second nature. And there you have it. With the Zapier Chrome extension now installed, you're equipped to automate and simplify your routine work tasks right from your browser. Thank you for watching, and happy automating.